In a time when the world seems uncertain, when challenges test the strength of women everywhere, God is still raising preserved women covered, strengthened, and renewed by His power. Join us for the Women Prayer Conference themed The Preserved Women, drawn from 2 Chronicles chapter 7 verse 14, a divine call to restoration, healing, and revival. The date is Saturday, 8th of November 2025, and the time is 10 a.m. prompt. The venue is Rockview Conference Hall beside Government House, Owerri. Come experience a life-changing encounter with God through His servant, the Evangelist Basil, Tochukwu, as the ministers empower and the world. Don't miss this moment of refreshing. Don't miss this move of God, because when women pray, nations are preserved. For enquiries, call the following number: 08106484818 or 08031153186 or email info@jbhemcrusades.org. Organized by Jesus Breedmovement, saving the lost at all costs. Do not miss it. Be there.